Hey guys, this is me Sriram Reddy and today let's try out something new. I'm gonna put this in the microwave, this Lotto Choco pie for 15 seconds and let's see what happens. So here now I have it opened. I'm gonna put in the microwave. 15 seconds and then let's start. Oh my gosh, did you just see that? It opened. Thank you guys and have a nice day. Wait, let's see it. Whoa. Do you guys see that? So well, here I have it. So this is me and I started a new version, Ponto game. Let's try something out. So thank you and have a nice day.